Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Today's video is about how to make a low-carb, keto-friendly vegetable salad. In general, vegetable salads are healthy food options. But it doesn't mean you can have any vegetable in your keto diet plan. At the end of this video, you will understand which vegetables could be used in your ketogenic salad, which vegetables can be used in limited quantities, and which vegetables have to be completely avoided. Let's begin with lettuce. So to my salad today, I am going to use 2 cups of lettuce. 1 cup of lettuce has around 0.5 grams of net carbohydrates and 10 to 12 calories. So 2 cups of lettuce has only 1 gram of carbohydrates and maximum 30 calories. Another benefit of lettuce is it is a good source of vitamin K. Here we have one of my absolute favorites, avocados. So thanks to the high content of heart healthy fats, avocados make a great addition to a ketogenic diet. You may not like avocado, but believe me, in a salad avocado tastes super nice. And also it has very high amount of fat. Next is feta cheese. Most of the varieties of feta cheese has almost no carbohydrates, but 100 grams of feta cheese have around 260 calories. So if you are counting your calories, limit the amount of feta cheese you would put in your salad. For today's salad, I am going to add only 50 grams of feta cheese. Then we have tomatoes. Tomatoes in general are low in carbohydrates. However, the amount of carbohydrates depend on the variety of the tomatoes. Here on my right hand I have regular tomatoes and on my left hand I have cherry tomatoes. Compared to cherry tomatoes, regular tomatoes have lower amounts of carbohydrates. So try to use regular tomatoes in your vegetable salad. Also be careful with the amount of tomatoes you add. I would not add more than half a cup per portion. Here we have onions. Onions are not very low in carbohydrates. 1 large onion has 12 grams of carbohydrates. So you have to be careful when you add onions to your food. Here to this salad, I will add only 2 rings of onions, which means it is less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. Another nice addition for your salad is nuts. Here I am using walnuts, almonds and hazelnuts. Usually nuts are high in calories, so be careful with the quantity you use. Also, nuts like peanuts and cashews are not keto friendly, so limit the use of such nuts in your salad or in your keto diet. Now let's look at the bell peppers. We have green, red, yellow and orange bell peppers. They all are the same bell pepper but at different stages of ripening. Depending on the stage of ripening, the amount of carbohydrates differ. Usually, peppers have around 6 grams of carbohydrates per 100 grams. This is not too low, but it doesn't mean that you cannot have it in your salad. You just have to be careful how much you put it in your salad. And also, if you want to really lower the amount of carbs and still use peppers in your salads, you can use only green peppers. Then cucumber, which is really low in calories as well as net carbohydrates, is a great addition for your keto salad. So I'm going to add around 50 grams of cucumber to my salad. Then I'm going to add half a cup of spinach, which is also very low in calories as well as net carbohydrates. So you can always add spinach to your keto or low carb salads. Then I'm going to add olive. Olives are also an excellent addition for your ketogenic diet. They are not just high in fat and low in carbohydrates, they are also excellent sources of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. And also remember, they are low in calories. So feel free to add olives to your ketogenic salad. Here I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice to my salad. Remember, lemons are not very low in carbohydrates, but usually we don't use a large quantity of lemon in our food. Here I'm going to add only 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, that is around 1 gram of net carbohydrates. For my salads, I don't use commercial salad dressings. I'm going to show you how to make a very easy and quick salad dressing which is keto friendly. You need some apple cider vinegar, some olive oil, some mustard seeds, 1 clove of garlic. Garlic is optional, and remember, garlic is also not low in carbohydrates. So if you don't want to have garlic in your salad dressing, you can opt this out. And some pepper and some salt. So I'm going to put all these in a blender and blend for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then you will get this delicious salad dressing. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I also hope you learned that not all healthy vegetables are keto friendly. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new video.